go. I'm going up over the top on that thing. Hurry up. What the fucking tree, bro? Dang! Oh! Get out of the way! Get out of the way! Hurry up, get out of the way! No, I'm not. You're in my way. I'm going to run you over. Yeah. Get out of my way then. I'm going to run you over. How about that? Huh? Nice! Whoa, look at this, Conley. Oh! It threw me forward. Hey, jump that stump. Jump the stump. That wasn't jumping the stump. Wait, I'll get out of the way. Wait! Hey, get out of the way. Let me hear. Hey, jump the stump, man.
I'm not going fast enough.
What a push.
Definitely not going fast enough.
Let's see if Angelus. Go faster, Angelus. Man, I took out a freaking, like, a fallen log or tree thing. Right there, come on. Oh, you suck. I'm not even going to video that one. Horrible. Jesus. What is this crap?
I don't know about this.
You guys are on my way.
There's a fucking log right there.
So? Huh? Grindy. Get out of my way. I'll go. You big puss. Yeah! That's how you do it right there, bitch. Come on. Oh, you guys are dead on this one. Dead. Look at that. Look down here, Conley. Oh, there's another trail. Oh, what a puss. You guys are burning up on my film. Let's go, Thomas. You saw me do it. You need more speed. Come on, Angelus. Oh, come on. You guys took the crap path. Oh, he didn't even make it up over the hill. Conley, what are you doing?
What the fuck is it?
I don't know. You're the one that told us to go here. Whoa! Went the wrong way. Huh? Nice. Oh, you guys are done. Done, son. Oh, there's a good one right there. Oh, hey, there's a way out. Oh, you guys are hammered. You gotta come through here. Oh, he's down over the hill. Yeah. Come on, man. Just stay on your edge. I made it through. There you go. There you go. Stay on your front edge. Oh, what a bitch. Oh, what a bitch. Fig, you're not going to make it, man. Come on, Conley. We could have done this all one shot, bro. Look at him down there, dude. Oh, that's crazy. Thomas, why don't you get out of the way, man? Come on, Angeles. Hey, Angeles, go down around the left, your left side. Oh, I think Conley took off, man. Oh, there he is. Come on, Angeles. Hey, get out of his way. What, you can't even walk across there? Oh, man. Oh, dude. Hey, hurry up so Angeles can go.
You gotta show video. You're loving it.
No, look at him. You're wrecking up the line for Angeles, man. He's right there. Talking on the phone. He's calling for the ski patrol. He's like, help! I need a helicopter. Yeah! Stay on your front edge. Hey, you gotta watch it. Come on. Go ahead. Stay up and go right through here. You got it, man. It's just like that bridge. You're not making it. You might as well take it off now. I'm going to stop recording because you guys suck.